Hi everyone, welcome to IT College YouTube channel. I am your friend and I have created this YouTube channel especially for you guys to learn the IT skills in a simple and easy way. So please give lots of love to my channel and subscribe it and share it with your friends. And on this channel I am launching a new series, DevOps from Scratch, which is absolutely free for everyone. And here I will teach you the complete DevOps journey from zero to professional level. And if you are wondering and confused, like where should I start learning DevOps, and which channel should I follow, what documents should I read, then don't worry anymore. You do not need to go anywhere else. I will teach you everything step by step in a simple and practical way. And at the end of every session, you will also get the well structured notes. So, no need to worry about note taking either. Now, let's see what I'm going to cover in the DevOps series in the next slides. So, this is the complete DevOps roadmap. We're going to learn Linux, DevOps tools, cloud, AWS, and automation skills, core Python, and shell scripting. So first we will start with the operating system Linux, because in the DevOps world, Linux is the backbone, or you can say it's the foundation of DevOps. And after that, we will move to this main part, DevOps tool, where we will cover Git, GitHub for version control, Jenkins for automations, for continuous integration, delivery and deployment, Docker and Kubernetes for containerizations, Ansible for configuration management, and Terraform for infrastructure provisioning. Along with that, I will also teach you the a cloud platform AWS with real-time setup. And coming to this automation part, we will also going to learn some basics of Python and shell scripting so that we can automate our daily DevOps task easily once you get the job. You do not need to take any stress about the Python or shell scripting. I will explain you Python and shell scripting in a simple and friendly way, just enough to crack the interviews and understand the automation concepts. And if you are from like a non-technical background, or you don't like the coding, then relax. I will make DevOps and this coding part so easy that you will start enjoying and understanding it step by step with the hands-on practice. And by the end of this entire series, you will become a professional DevOps engineer. So this is all about the DevOps roadmap. And so our next video will be on operating system, Linux. So in the Linux, we'll cover Linux basic overview and its commands, which is useful for troubleshooting DevOps issue in the project. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all our upcoming sessions. Also share it with your friends who think DevOps is difficult, and you can say with ID College, DevOps is no longer hard, it's super easy. So that's all about for today, guys. Subscribe now and join this amazing journey with us. Thank you and take care.